What's good, everybody? Welcome back to BoringCrypto. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support that I've been getting lately, especially on my last video. It feels incredible. So today we're going to be going over ICP. ICP is definitely my sleeper crypto of the year, and we're just going to make this quick. So first, go ahead and put out the line chart, and let's go ahead and mark our tops and bottoms. Here, then let's go ahead and hop into the weekly and then swap to candles. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the rectangle tool. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and just here. This will be a spot in the future. Better believe it. Okay, so now that everything is marked out, we can get a better picture. We'll hop on to the daily. If you remember from my last video, I believe that was posted on, don't remember the exact date that it was posted on, but my last video, I said that you should get in at anything under 40. So for credibility, let's go ahead and take a listen to what I said in my previous ICP video.
It looks like it's kind of just chilling on this support. I would definitely try to get in $40, anything under $40. It's kind of just, I mean, it's just going to explode, and it's going to happen soon. I would say sometime, right in the beginning of November, I have a feeling that this thing's just going to take off. And when it does, there could be some.
Now, unlike some of my other predictions, this opportunity did present itself. And if you paid attention, you set your orders at 40 or anything under 40. ICP went all the way down to $37 briefly on the 27th before ultimately rising up to where we are today at around 53. So we hit my buy area, and now we're at another resistance. And currently we're just watching ICP fall a little bit. But to get a bigger picture of how things should go this month, let's turn to Bitcoin, and we can see that in November of 2017, the last bull run, Bitcoin flew past its all-time high, which currently it looks like it's going to be testing any moment now, and then in December it continues up. If we go to Ethereum, the number one altcoin, we can see in November 2017 that it did the same thing. It broke its all-time high, and then into December, we get this big push for 2 months straight, and then when sometime in January we fell, and then the next month it was just bearish from there on out. So that being said, we can go ahead and assume that ICP will follow the rest of the market, and in the coming months will end up breaking its all-time high. So now that we've tested my previous target, we've reached the resistance at $55 to $51. We're right here. Okay, so I don't think you're gonna get many opportunities to get under $40. I don't think you'll see $40. I think what's going to happen is we're going to end up testing maybe $50, maybe 48, possibly 46. So if you can get in, if you see ICP at $46, I would recommend buying it. If it goes any lower, which would shock me, anything under 45, 44 would be your best bet to get in. Like I said, if it is going to fall somewhere, it's probably going to be the next support on the weekly. I don't think it's going to go to a monthly support. So it's currently almost there. So by the time I post this video, you might not be able to get in, but we'll see. This is what I think would happen, something like this. And then heading into the future for the next couple months, I made some fair predictions, and then I made some bold predictions on where I think ICP could go. And currently, I still hold true to that. I do believe that ICP will go to at least $1,000 by the end of January, hopefully. But I want to be out of the market by sometime in early January, hopefully before the middle of January, but early January seems like a good target. So what I imagine is going to happen is we're just going to cup and handle out of here. We're going to come up to $77, come back down, probably right here at this monthly support before continuation. And then there's some other spots you'd have to look forward to as far as resistances go. There's a handful of them here because, as you know, we had a pretty large drop back in May. So I would definitely be aiming for at least the very minimum I'd be aiming for is $450 in December, possibly this month. Things would have to go pretty crazy, but I don't think we'll be surprised at all. So moving forward, we break these resistances and these Fibonacci's, we continue up, get to the 702, move forward, and I believe we would probably end up making another cup and handle. It's probably going to be volatile and move our way back up to the 1.618. That would be my main target, depending on where we're at. If we're at $1,000 by December, I would definitely go ahead and probably assume things will get crazy and we'll head up to above the $2,000 range. So if you're currently buying right now at $52, it's not a bad idea, but you could also wait, and you might, by the time I upload this video, it might be too late to get that position. But $50 here at this blue line, if you get lucky, basically anything under $50 at this point I think is going to be a buy, because I think we're just going to go up like that. I think we're going to break this resistance pretty easily, and hopefully ICP is one of those coins that goes early. But anyways, I just want to say, you guys are the best. All the support I'm getting, all the subscribers, please share the videos with your friends. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm going to be trying to update the other cryptos that I've done. I'm trying to upload every other day. I don't want to upload too much and burn myself out. I just do this for fun currently, to prove to myself and others that technical analysis does work in one way or another. It's not always 100%, but it's very fun to just plot these and wait a couple weeks and see, we went up, we broke that resistance, then we came back and wicked this perfectly. Which reminds me, don't get an ICP right now. An ICP breaks out, you're going to be looking to buy the next support, the next resistance turn support, and I think you'd be looking at around $80, which is why I believe in my previous video I said anything under $80 is a good buy, because you're probably going to break out and come back and touch it before continuation. So just keep that in mind. I'll talk to you guys soon. This is BoringCrypto. Peace.